Every year, several hundred million walleye are stocked in lakes throughout the northern part of the country. We've learned that when we stock walleyes into lakes with self-sustaining populations, what we call supplemental stocking, we get very, very low return from those fish stocked. What we don't know much about is what happens when you stock walleye in rivers. A recent study evaluated the effect of stocking walleye into the 11-Point River, a river that flows for about 140 miles through southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. Several years of evaluating the populations, they found that the stocked walleye were half of the age 1 walleye collected. That's a very high success rate from stocking. So why was the stocking so successful in the 11-Point River when all these studies in lakes show very limited success with stocking walleye? Well, part of the success was probably related to using fairly large fingerlings, 2 to 3 inches long. We know that we do get better survival when we stock larger fingerling walleye. But certainly a part of the success was related to the abundance of walleye naturally in the 11-Point River. They were self-sustaining, but the population was very weak. That meant the fish that were stocked and the native fish had plenty of room, plenty of food to eat, and in fact that was evidenced by the high condition of all the fish that were collected. So what it looks like is we might have a good tool here for managing our walleye rivers. In fact, other studies also in the north have found pretty good success from supplementally stocking walleyes into the river. Good tool, but that tool, like anyone, has to be used wisely. Again, what's very important here is there's a weak population. Stocking those walleye into a strong population likely would not have had such good results. The more we know about fish, the better we can manage them. That's good for fish, and that's good for fishing.